Hi, I'm Jess. In this video, I'm going to share to you how to use the share list, what is the share list and its value, and how to maximize it for your business. So what is a share list? Yung share list, ito po yung inventory natin. Every time you discuss to a friend, share to a family member, or share to anyone about what we do, financial education, you may always end up asking them na, do you think this information can help you? Do you think this information can help a lot of people? And if they say yes, they answer yes to both questions, then the share list would be a proper way to make it more literal or make it more tangible, because probably your friend is going to refer to you some people in mind saan niya i-share yung information. It could be his family, his office mate, his friend. So when you pull out a share list, sabihin mo sa friend mo, friend, this is how we help these people. This is how we help other people. We're going to list down the names, write their contact numbers, and write their email para ma-schedule natin kung kailan natin sila bibisitahin or i-meet to share the information. Or you may want to put the numbers para ma-share natin, ma-text blast natin sila whenever there's an event, whenever there's a schedule for the training, magagamit yung mga numbers. Or you may want to put the email address para may mga online announcement tayo, we can send them through online. So what is a share list? A share list is like an inventory sa business po natin. Lahat tayo po nanggaling sa share list. Halos 99% of the members of this organization comes from a share list of a friend. And why is it valuable? Because we cannot move from one person to another without the share list. We cannot move and spread the mission of financial education from one group to another without the share list. So that's how important yung share list po natin. Ako, I joined 13 years ago because I was my name was indicated, was written on the share list of the person who invited me. And once they presented to me, then the rest is history. If you're listening to this video, you joined IMG few weeks ago, few months ago, 99% probably nanggaling ka sa list ng friend mo. Meaning to say, you have to thank your friend who thought of you that one day they would share to you, to your family, the good information about IMG, and here you are right now listening to this video. And how do you maximize the share list? Of course, you have to bring quite number of this piece of paper in your bag or anywhere you go, aside from the book that you carry, aside from the membership forms and the Kaiser forms, you bring this one, you have this photocopy, so that kahit yung mga very quick appointments, very quick sharing during lunch break or during break time, you're able to gather some names from your friend whom you discuss the concept to. And kahit 10 lang, no? Kasi alam natin maraming friends maraming people na pwede nating i-share yung advocacy, but you're asking for the first 10, and then if the person has a lot of friends, of course, you may want to fill up another form. So the first 10 are the people na gusto ng friend mo na sharean yung advocacy natin. That's how important yung share list po natin. Without the share list, you'll forget. One day you came from the share list, and one day you ask yourself, who are the people whom I should share this concept with? Sino yung mga taong dapat i-sharean ko? Kasi kulang yung share list But with the share list, tuloy-tuloy yung pag-share mo, yung advocacy, yung mission from one person to another, one family to another. Alright? So whether the person joined right away or is a potential member, use the share list, write down some names, complete with a cell phone number, and complete with email. And ngayon, may mga Facebook account. You may want to write the Facebook account also. Alright? Let's maximize the share list. See you on the next video.